Good day, everybody. There's the hair. We're gonna cut medium short, taper it up, and I'll be telling you what I'm doing as we go on cutting the hair. This is 316 attachment. Two. To make the sideburn medium short. And instead of gliding it flat, you have to make a little a slanted position like that to make it tapered. Like that. So the edge going up this way is slanted actually. So from short, then getting longer. We do this all the way around. We taper it so that we can hide the wrinkle of knowledge here in the nape area. Even if we cut it short on the edges, as long as we maintain the slanted position, then the wrinkle will not show up. Like that. That's why tapering is nice. There you go. And the guard, the 316 guard, help us to maintain the length of the hair that you are trimming. If you are not familiar with the comb, this is great to use. Now, from the short to medium short, and then blend it to the longest part of the hair in this area, the side and the back. See? This is blended. Doing the same thing. The imaginary line still slanted. From here, medium short, and then getting longer. Like that. So you may not see it. You may not see the imaginary line that I made, but there's imaginary line going like that. You have to have that while cutting so that you are consistent as far as trimming, as far as the length of the hair that you are trimming. Without the imaginary line that you are following, then yeah, it's like different sizes. At least if you have that imaginary line, you can maintain a pretty close length of the hair from here all the way up, because we're gonna be trimming the top also later when we're done on the sides and the back. And that's why I believe online hair cutting will work. All the shops will be happy, I believe, because we can continue to have the customers. It doesn't matter where they are, whether they visit another country. When it's time to get a haircut, just say, hey, can you help me? And can be done online. See, this is now just trimming off the top from this side to the other side, maintaining the same length that we start up front. It's not blending anymore, but shortening or trimming off the hair. We're just making a room for the hair to come back, because the hair is supposed to, average hair is supposed to grow from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch within 4 to 6 weeks. Some are faster than others. See? That's what it looks like now after the trimming. So, we're gonna make the edges a little bit closer to make it look like a barber's cut. Like that. Here. If you can make it as smooth, as much as you can, the better it looks. There you go. And then brush it off a little bit. Using your eager, something like this, and then trim the edges. I've been telling everybody, those who are working on their hair at home, just follow the hairline instead of, making it higher. Because most of us, the hairline is not so high, but some of us, the hairline is a little higher than the average. And that's when you decide whether to make these lines or just completely fill it out. Make it no line. See? I believe anybody can do that. Now, clean it up a little bit more.
If your hair is really frizzy, do you have to put water on it? Or do you just, was mine too frizzy?
Right.
Or it was okay?
Okay. Then water to make sure we're not missing any part that needs to be blended or trimmed off.
See, I learned something today.
Just like this. I believe banks needs to be worked on. We can use this thinning scissor. Do it like this. Yep. Yeah. See, this thinning scissor is great to use. For those of you who got hair at home, even if you are not able to connect your strands so closely, it doesn't leave lines. So don't forget to use it. It's pretty nice to use. And then one more time. Again, have to clean the nape area to make it look like a barber's cut. And thank God for the improved clippers. We don't need to use as much anymore, like me. I don't use razor blade anymore because of viruses that, are deadly. So if we make accidents, it's easier to make accidents on razor than a clipper. And aftershave. See the nape area now? It's shortened as short as we can and still able to hide the wrinkle of knowledge. Now, put a little oil to moisturize the scalp and of course the hair. There you go. Now it looks like that.
Looks good.
Front, the side, and the back, and the other side. Thank you for watching.